Welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. Today I am wearing Kay in Almost Black. She's from under the Paula Young umbrella in Especially Yours. And her name is Kay. So she's similar a little bit to Deidre, even I think to Kona that I wore. But let me show you the cap. So she's got an extended nape. She has just basic air tabs and just a basic cap. This is, covered weft here, open weft in the back, and not a ton of stretch. Okay. So I have worn her before, but I don't think I have done a video. So I wanted to show you what I'm going to do to her. I don't want to shake this one because she has, well, let me just pull some of this out. I just want to make sure because I think this one was too fluffy for me. Okay. So we're going to tighten her in underneath. Yeah, see, that's why I didn't want to do it. Pamela, what did you do, Pamela? All right, so this one I'm going to have to tame down a little bit. But let's get her positioned correctly. And, okay, so she's good there. And I am going to change the part. I'm going to have to wet her a little bit. Which way do I want the part? I think I want it more. I've been doing this side. Right? Yeah. All right, so we're going to get the part. I want the part there, and she's going to need a lot of water to fix her up. And then I'm just going to probably add sea salt. But otherwise, we just want to fix that curl back up. She's got a little bit of, what do you call it? And that's what I think the water is going to help, like frizz, because not frizz, I can't think of the word right now. All right, so I do want like a little lift here, but on the sides, I want more of the curl. Okay. I want a little bit of contour. I don't have my brush in here today. Have everything still in the dining room from the live on Saturday. Thank you so much, everyone who joined the live. That was so much fun. I am definitely doing that again. So much fun. All right, so I'm gonna add sea salt. Get a little more of that curl in there. I think what I'm gonna do with this one, because I've worn her a few times, I think she needs a little bit of a bath and to leave her upside down overnight. I like the lift here, but okay. All right, so I think I'm where I want to be. All right, I think this is where I want to be today. Look at this curl. She is a lot of volume right now. I would, if I had my round brush, I think I would do, I think I wet it so the contour is not really gonna, it's not gonna help much with my hands. So let me see. Yeah, all right, so let me show you all sides. I think this is all I want. Okay. All right, so here is the right. Here is the back. Make sure that she's down. Here is left. and then here is front. So what do you guys think of this color? This is Almost Black. So it's, you know, it's a little, the numbers are crazy. It's TT1. I'll tell you what the numbers are tonight when I do end of day. But it's TT1 something, I can't believe, but the name is called Almost Black. So it's, you know, a lot of the gray. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't have the other light on. Is that light better? That lighting better? Okay. I like how it frames my face, you know? Okay. All right. This is me for today with Kay from the Especially Yours in Almost Black. And I will see you tonight, show you my outfit, what I wore her with. You know, obviously you can see I have a gray top on. I have a gray top and black jeans, but I will do an end of the night tonight. All right. Thanks, everyone. Hi, everyone. Welcome back. This is my outfit for the night, and this is the end of the day for how Kay wore. So she was cute. She bother me. She has a lot of permatease, so it didn't bother me. You know, she didn't write up, but she feels very thick on me, like a lot of hair. So if you don't like a lot of thickness, then you probably, you know, this might not work. But this is all real heavy permatease in here. But, you know, she didn't really change much. She was cute. I got some compliments. So that was it. This is Kay for the end of the night and my outfit for the day. All right. I will be trying to get this one uploaded with my outfits for the week as soon as possible. And I love all the feedback that I'm getting on the live video. I really appreciate everyone. Really, really good feedback. You know, everyone's really appreciating. You guys like this portion, you know, of the outfits at the end of the day. So I'm going to keep doing that part. I know I had stopped because I wasn't sure if they were helpful, but everybody is really saying that they like this part. So I will keep doing the end of the night video and let you know how she wore. But yeah, this is what she looks like at the end of the day. Cute. I liked her today. I liked how she went with the outfit. All right. Thank you so much. Subscribe if you're liking my content. You know, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like, hit the bell, and share. You know, share. It's a new channel. You know, I don't know how. You know, obviously I'm not out there yet. Lots of folks don't know about it, but you know, it's getting, the algorithm, I think, is pushing it up. Because you're watching, so I definitely appreciate each and every one of you. All right, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.